Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix duplicates on QuickBooks. Now if you want to fix the duplicates on QuickBooks but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The duplicate transaction in QuickBooks can happen for variety of reasons such as accidental uploads, manual entries or syncing issue with the bank. So to fix the duplicate transaction, you need to simply open the QuickBooks app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that you need to open the QuickBooks app and you need to sign into your account and click on the option of which you will find under accounting section. So from there you need to choose the account where the duplicate transaction occurs, such as bank, credit card and all of it, and from there you need to click on the option of view register to see the list of the transaction for your account. So after clicking on it, you need to simply look for the duplicate transaction which will often have the same date, amount or the description. So you may also filter or search by the date to make it easier to spot the duplicates. So after finding the duplicates, you need to click on the duplicate transaction and click on the option of more, and from there you need to select the option of delete. So you need to confirm the deletion and you need to simply see it again and match again if the duplicate was imported automatically from your bank feed. So you may simply match it to the existing transaction and check it out. So after doing all of it, after deleting the duplicate transaction, you need to simply reconcile your account, and to reconcile you need to go on the option of banking, and from there you will see the option of reconcile. So click on it and you will be able to fix the duplicate transaction on QuickBooks. So that's it. That's how you can fix it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.